Today I will show you how to make these very beautiful and very gorgeous hoop earrings. Hi, I'm Shabori from hooptoloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have already made a tutorial on these earrings, but that belonged to the YouTube shorts, so I had to make the video in 1 minute, so it was quite fast. However, I tried to make it as clear as possible, but many of you faced problem because it was fast, so I had to make a slower version too. For this we will take the metallic hoop easily available in the local market, and we will be using the embroidery floss, and I am using 1.75mm crochet hook. So at first we will make a slip knot with it. So take the embroidery floss and wrap it around your finger, forming an X in this manner. Turn your finger. We will pull the first loop and we will draw the second loop from below in this manner. Draw the second loop and the short end of the embroidery floss and pull them apart. We will insert the hook in it and tighten it. We will take the metallic hoop and then we will just place the embroidery floss in this manner. Place your hook below the hoop and draw the yarn from below. Then we will pull the yarn through the loop already present in the hook, and this is called a slip stitch. So we slip stitched around the metallic hook. Then we will do a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. Now we will start doing single crochet stitches around the metallic hoop. So we will put our hook below the hoop, draw the yarn through it and do a single crochet stitch in this manner. I did a total of 32 single crochet stitches around the metallic hoop. Do as many number of single crochets as you want, but make it even number of single crochets. Okay. So we will quickly complete our single crochet stitches around the metallic hoop in this manner. You can make innumerable designs with this same pattern with your hoop. So for doing the single crochet, put your hook below the metallic hoop and draw the yarn in this manner. We have got 2 loops, so yarn over and draw the yarn through both the loops and a single crochet is done. And we will repeat the same method. Do total 32 single crochets. When all the 32 single crochets are done like this, we will just do a chain 1 in this way and cut the yarn. You will get a series of beginners crochet tutorials in my channel in a playlist, so do follow them if you are a beginner, because you need to practice your stitches first and then you will be able to do these simple small projects. Okay, now we will take another embroidery floss, pass a needle through it and pass the needle through the first stitch of the hoop. Okay, and just tie a double knot in this manner and cut the other end of the thread. We will need 1 jhumka and total 30 beads. These are actually loop beads. We will be passing the thread through these loops in this manner of the bead. Pass it towards the earring and then we will insert our needle in the next stitch in this manner. We will pass another bead and then pass the needle through the next stitch and repeat this process. That is, pass the bead through the thread and then pass the needle through the next stitch like this. Isn't this easy? The design is really elegant and it's really pretty. So we will be passing the first 15 beads in our stitches like this, and then in the next stitch we will be passing our jhumka. That is, this is the midway of your earring. Pass the needle through the next stitch and again repeat as earlier. Pass the remaining 15 beads for each stitch. Okay, like this and complete your earring. We will quickly complete it at the end after you have passed your last bead through the needle and through the thread. Pass the needle through the last stitch and then finally tie a double knot in this manner. Tighten the knot, cut the thread, and the earrings are ready. Cut out the extra portion of the thread, stick them with fabric glue, weave in the loose ends, and make another one, and the earrings are completely ready. These are beautiful, elegant, classy, and I hope it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. Thank you and have a great day, and subscribe to my channel.